Hey sweeties, how are y'all?
How's it going?
It's always so awkward, like, you know, we don't like starting the video. We ask how you guys are doing, but it's like no one's gonna answer, sis.
Yeah.
But anyway, we're in a really random position today.
We're like in a little corner of our studio.
Yeah.
We have like a whole bunch of packages that we're gonna unbox for you guys.
Yeah.
Because we've just been getting so many goodies in the mail.
Right.
And why not share?
Yeah, we're gonna share it with you guys because it's like if you guys think they're cool, maybe you guys, I don't know, maybe it'll resonate with you guys too.
Yeah.
So lots of great brands that we've never heard of before, and some brands that we're familiar with, some brands that we're working with. So yeah, we can't wait to share it with you guys.
Let's get right into it.
Okay, so I'll grab something, you grab something?
Okay.
Okay, cool. I'll go with jeans because everybody loves jeans. So we're currently working with this brand, and they are called Lafayette148 New York, or NY, and they make some of the most amazing clothes, you guys. Like
The best quality.
Yeah,
oh my
the
gosh.
quality is incredible,
Yeah.
first of all, and second of all, like their packaging is like so thoughtful. Like it comes on a hanger. Like the box is usually like when the products come in, they're usually like not just like folded up and just like packed together. There's usually like a sheet in between each product.
Yeah, it's very thoughtful.
Everything is like hung well on a hanger.
You
There's
never
a
have to
plastic
steam
on it.
anything.
You never have to steam anything. Nothing is ever wrinkled. Anyway, so these jeans are from them. We're gonna do a little try on. Nunai got these,
The straight leg.
the straight leg version, and I got, this is like their summer denim, and then I got the wide leg, more boyfriend version. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna try them on. We haven't tried them on yet, so we're really excited to see how these fit.
I love jeans, so I hope these fit me.
They sure
I'm
will.
always in the market for new jeans, okay? Especially good quality ones.
Yeah. Okay, your turn.
Okay, not gonna lie, I've never heard of this brand in my life, but it's called Fleur,
Yes.
New York. They sent us, I believe, 2 pieces.
No, it's three pieces. It's a top and a bottom, and then a jumpsuit.
Okay, so this is the jumpsuit. Feels really great. I'm not sure what this material is, but it's like a really nice texture. Looks very sophisticated.
And the
I
wide
love-
leg is so beautiful.
Yes, I love the wide leg. I hope it has pockets.
It
Oh my gosh,
does.
it has pockets.
And
so
it also
that's
has
good.
pockets in the back. I feel like this is one of those like laid back, like
chill
vibes.
But
like,
then you can also dress it up.
but you
because
can
it's
also
very
wear with heels.
sophisticated.
Yeah. And then the other outfit is a 2-piece, right?
Yes.
The pants are gorgeous.
Wow. It's kind of like a harem pants.
No, they have like this weird, like they have this.
Yeah.
No, they're not harem. They're
It's
wide
like,
leg.
It looks like a skirt.
Yeah, there's like a pleating in the front here. It's just beautiful. Like the
We'll try it
detail
on
is
for you guys
really
because holding
beautiful.
it up does not do it justice.
Yeah,
And then the third piece, I believe, is the
it's a
top.
matching top. Yeah,
Oh, this is pretty.
it has like a cowl neck.
Very
Yeah, it's
nice.
beautiful.
And it's like a nice navy color.
Yeah. Okay, so my turn.
Okay.
So I started running during like when everyone was on lockdown, and then I was recommended this running shoe company by my friend, and then I went and like you basically have to go on their website, and then you have to like put in your size, what kind of track are you gonna be running on, whatever. They
Like your
basically
foot size, are you like is your foot wide or narrow?
yeah,
Or, yeah.
you have to do like an arch.
questionnaire.
Yeah, so basically they then like assign the perfect shoe for you to like run with, if you're like a beginner, if you're professional, whatever. So I bought the shoes. They were like $200, and then literally like the first time I went running in them, I posted about it, and then the company like reached out. They're like, hey, we want to send you guys more shoes. And I was like, oh my god, I wish I just had asked them for the shoes instead of paying $200. But you guys, they're like totally worth it. Like I feel like ever since I started running with these shoes, like I run longer. Like I run a lot longer than I used to. And I don't even know why. I don't even, like the first time I put the shoes on, I was running longer without stopping. So anyway, so they sent us more shoes. Well, 2 pairs are for her, and then 1 pair is for me. So I picked these out. They are like so cute.
I love the design.
Yeah, this is more of like a workout shoe versus running though. The running shoes are a little bit more different. They're like, I guess, engineered more for running, but these are more for like if you're in the gym and you're working out. So I got these. They're called the Cloud Novas. And then when I got similar pair, these ones. She also got the ones that I had actually purchased, which are called this Cloud Stratus, I think. Yeah, Cloud Stratus.
Yeah.
And they are more like geared for running. So this is the shoe that I bought, and
I love the detail at the bottom where there's like a hole in the middle of the sole. I guess that's what helps you run better, maybe.
I don't know what it is, but this whole like situation down here just makes you feel like you're running on clouds. And then this part of the shoe just like hugs your foot, so your foot is not like wobbling around in your shoe.
Oh, I hate that when your foot slides around inside the shoe.
Yeah, or like just, I don't know what it is, you guys, but these shoes are amazing.
I can't wait to try it out.
I've been wearing them for like 3 months now. Okay, so yes, that's
My
it.
turn.
And the company is called On Running. Yeah.
My turn. How do you pronounce this? Koorloo?
Koorloo. Yeah.
Koorloo sent us some bags. Or Koorloo?
I don't
Do you know how to pronounce it? They're just like a voice memo in DMs or something, because we don't know how to pronounce it. It's like kind of fancy.
Yeah, anyway, they're European.
Yeah.
It's a European company.
But they sent us bags. They sent us 2 bags in the past.
In
maybe
the
like
fall, in the winter.
Yeah,
fall?
maybe like last year.
Yeah.
And we have been rocking it like with literally everything, tagging them all the time. So I guess they realized how much we love their bags.
Yeah.
So they sent us more. They sent us 3 bags.
No, they sent us 4 bags.
They sent us 4 bags. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, they sent us 4 bags. Like,
And these are not cheap.
they're not like cheap bags. They're like very well made. Like
They look
so
like
beautiful.
they're just made with love. Like look at these.
Yeah.
So we picked out 2 of these.
We picked out 2 of these so we can like matchy.
Just like those cute little like
Dumpling bags. And then, oh my god, look.
Oh my gosh, does it come with that?
I didn't even notice when we were.
Up. Oh my gosh,
Are you
guys, it comes
kidding
with
on me?
Pearl.
Look at this.
Handle. What?
Are you kidding right now? This is so cute.
This is like amazing.
I didn't even notice this before. Like we totally missed.
It's just like the details and everything. Like, and it comes with a longer chain if you want to wear a crossbody. And there's literal art inside of it.
Inside
Like,
the bag is like a painting. It's the most.
Oh, we'll show you more.
It's so beautiful.
We've already unboxed this and worn it. We just put it back in the box so that
So
we can just like show you guys and like.
We're obviously too excited. We got to see it first.
We've actually worn them many times, but we just love like unboxing videos and like this is the whole experience.
And we've never really done one together. So.
Yeah. So anyways.
Hello.
How beautiful is this?
So nice.
So it's like a tweed material and it's like it's pink, but then there's also like different colored like stitch, like I don't even know what you call it, but it's like gold, silver, white, like all types of colors in here.
So pretty.
Beautiful. And then
The same
beautiful painting on the inside of this like amazing lady. And then the 4th one is a big old tote. Every lady
Everybody
needs a big
needs a
bag.
tote, and this is the tote, y'all.
If I was going on vacation this year,
I'm gonna go on vacation,
This-
so I'll wear it.
this would be my tote.
So first of all, okay, so you guys know how in my luxury haul, I got the Saint Laurent tote. Literally, this is exactly like that vibe. Like it gives
Like,
me
and
that
it's the
vibe.
same quality.
And it's literally like, if anything, a
And then
better
there's
quality.
the beautiful painting again. I just love that. So many amazing details. Oh, and it has a chain handle too. Amazing. Thank you so much.
Thank you
Koorloo.
so much.
Sorry for pronouncing your
These
name.
are stunning. Okay, again with Lafayette148. Like, look, this is how everything comes. So we just love this print so much. It's a silk blouse basically. When I got the shirt and I got like the caftan, It's like
with these with the denim that they sent.
oh
Woo, child, it's about to be a
God.
look, honey.
It is gonna be a look. I just want to show you guys the fabric. So pretty.
These colors are just amazing.
These colors are a whole vibe. Okay, so yeah, it's a caftan. Look at it, literally reminds me of bati.
Yeah. Or a dira'.
So nice.
It's a dira', y'all.
Yeah, it's just a very fancy dira'.
Yeah. All right. Up next is this brand called
Sancia?
Sancia.
Sancia.
Yeah. They sent us 2 bags that are very beautiful.
Yeah.
The first one is it's like this.
They're the same bag but in 2 different colors. We kind of just
It's like a little bucket bag.
yeah, it's so pretty, you guys. Like
Wow.
like look at this part.
That is beautiful. That
Yeah.
color.
And then it comes with 2 different handle sizes. One that you can wear it as a top handle, and then the other one you can wear as like a crossbody bag. But like
We'll show you guys like once we like properly like
Put it
remove
together.
all of these like little stickers and
but
stuff.
like look at this.
Very beautiful bag.
Stunning.
And it just don't you guys just love the smell of like new
Leather,
leather?
like so good. Again, this stuff is not cheap. I mean, it's definitely affordable, but you're really gonna get what you pay for here. Like really good quality.
And we'll be sure to link
We
everything
will
down
link
below.
everything down
Just
below.
in case you're interested in buying it. We'll make your life a little bit easier.
Right. We have
This.
oh yeah, you go next.
We have more shoes too.
Shoes. Okay, so this company's called Rome. These are so cute. They're basically just like comfy, like my shoes.
Like kind of like dad sneakers,
Yeah.
but with like
But
dainty
with
little
like
straps.
yeah, with like straps that go up your thigh or your not your thigh, your calf.
Risque.
Super cute. We're gonna have to try those on and show
You get
them
the
to you
picture.
guys as well. And then last but not least, a box of fancy toilet paper. What? I know you didn't even see this. It came to my house, but this toilet paper company.
It's a pandemic, y'all.
Yeah, this toilet paper company is so cute, you guys. So you know when you have like a cute powder room like in the front of your house, and like you don't want to just like put like, you know, you have that little thing with like the cute candles, the flowers on top of it,
Like
whatever.
shelves?
Yeah, shelves. That's what it's called. Anyway, you don't want to just put any ordinary like toilet paper on there. That's what number 2 comes in the picture, okay? It's a plastic, it has plastic-free packaging. It's 95% less butt crumble.
That's the one word. That's definitely a word I did not want to hear. But okay.
I wasn't expecting that either. Anyway, it's 100% bamboo and it's 2-ply. Yeah, it's like, anyway, they have really cute like pattern
Oh my god.
toilet paper, you guys.
Gosh.
Look, it's like fashion toilet paper. Like, look at this like animal print one.
That's so cute. Are you kidding on me?
Like, look at this. Are you kidding? This is so cute. Why wouldn't you want this in your house? Look,
Yeah, that's so cute. Oh my gosh.
I'm
I
dying.
can't
This
even-
is the cutest toilet
This is
paper
the
ever.
type of stuff that I love seeing during unboxings.
Yeah.
It's like people share things that you didn't even know you
You
needed.
didn't even know, like, who knew this existed? This is so cute. Like, look at this.
I love that.
Like, why wouldn't you want this in your powder room? Anyway, the box comes with 8 rolls, and if you want toilet paper that gives you 90%, 95%. Stop, don't say it again. I can't. I'm gonna leave. If you are in the market, you're so upset right now. I don't care. I'm saying, if you're in the market for toilet paper that gives you 95% less butt crumble, I hate her. Go look at number 2.
All right, moving on.
Number 2. Oh, so funny. So funny. I didn't even get that. Like number 2 as in, you know, like poo.
They get it, sweetie. They get it.
Oh. Okay, sorry. Okay, we have fun doing
Yeah,
this.
we
We've never
did.
done this before. We've never like opened our PR packages and showed it to
We
people.
usually just keep the good stuff to ourselves.
And
so
never
sorry
say a
about
word.
that. But if you guys enjoyed it,
Yeah.
definitely let us know in the comments. We definitely want to know what kind of content you guys love seeing from us.
Yeah.
It's always helpful.
Yeah.
But yeah, definitely. What else?
Oh
is there?
wait, also our outfits. People always ask like,
Oh,
why
yes.
don't we ever say what we're wearing? We're both wearing H&M
like
dresses.
huge maxi dresses.
really big H&M dresses. I'm wearing my Chanel dad whatever sandals,
And I'm barefoot.
And she's barefoot. Yeah. So sorry. We're always gonna say this from now
These
on.
are both sold out, but if there's like
Similar
similar
things.
things that we can find, we'll link it down below as well.
Yes.
And always make sure to check out our Instagram where we are always just slaying.
And we always put all this fabulous stuff on and show it to you guys, okay?
Yes. But again, thank you guys so much for clicking on our video and always just tuning in and supporting us. We really appreciate you guys. And if you're new here, hi, we're the Yusufs.
Hi.
I don't even know if we mentioned that.
Oh my God, we
I'm
totally
Unai,
forgot.
and this is Stacia. We're sisters. We create content on fashion.
Create fabulous content.
Are ridiculous sometimes, but you know what? That's okay. Definitely join us. Join the sisterhood. Click down below and subscribe.
Yes.
And yes, thanks again for watching.
Bye.
See you in our next one. Bye, guys.